What's going on, everyone? So, are you ready to fly high, scraping leads with Google Maps? Our friends at Lead Sniper can help you do it and generate high quality leads in just a few minutes. We got some awesome stuff to go through in this video, so let's do it. Alright, so welcome back to the channel. We're doing another awesome video here on the Google Maps Scraper from our friends at Lead Sniper. And as you can see, we have 4 copies open, and browser support now includes Microsoft Edge and Brave and Google Chrome, of course. But we're also scraping for Latitude and Longitude for businesses here, so let's roll it. So you're just going to type in the latitude and longitude of whatever country and region that Lead Sniper supports, Google Maps Scraper supports, and it's going to take about 3 to 4 minutes to do this. So what you can do while you're waiting is grab yourself a bite to eat, maybe get yourself a cup of coffee, maybe get the laundry going, maybe you got to take the dog outside to do its business, or maybe you got a mess to clean up, maybe you got to drive the kids to soccer. It doesn't matter. This program is absolutely amazing, and you can download as a CSV or XLSX file. So we got 4 copies open, so just bear with me as I drag and drop these into our Google Drive. You want to make sure Google Drive is open, so you can just take it from your download folder, drag and drop onto the Google Drive, and you are going to get an amazing list of details. You're going to get the website domain, the physical address, and the email, and the phone numbers, all there for you in just a matter of minutes. And all done for you with amazing efficiency and speed. I've been using it. It kicks some serious butt. Elevate your business today and get the Google Maps Scraper from Lead Sniper. Well, so as you saw from that great demo reel, we're talking about Google Maps Scraper from Lead Sniper, and we've got some great new features and pricing packages to go through with you today, and we are going to do that right now. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day today. Happy 2026 from all of us here at Lead Sniper. Now, I'm one of the happy 12,000 customers, okay? And they've got so many great statistics here. You can watch some testimonials about what people are saying about the product and what they think of it. It's very fast, okay? You're not going to have any technical jargon here. It's not going to be confusing or anything like that. Just super fast, very time-saving, and you're going to get amazing demonstrations on how it works here on the site as well, use cases, all that kind of stuff, and it scrapes from over 60+ fields. And we're going to talk about scaling with enhanced savings and the prices in just a minute here, but I also want to highlight that the Lead Sniper products also can scrape email addresses, which users can then use for their cold email outreach. Now, all of these tools are amazing because they're going to save time, eliminate manual searching, and they're also going to help businesses or markets easily find targeted leads to grow their network and reach potential clients more effectively. Doesn't that sound exciting? I'm very excited. We're going to jump into the pricing and the enhanced savings right now, so let's do it. Simple, transparent pricing, okay? And I'm very excited for this. And you could scale with enhanced savings. That's right. So let's dive in and talk about those great savings that you're going to get. But before I do, I also want to address that the Google Maps Scraper has unlimited leads from Google Maps. Very simple. You're going to get that as a feature, okay? But also, the base price is still $149, one-time fee with unlimited support, and there's the free trial. But the more people buy a license key, and this is critical, and the more products that they buy, the more discounts you're going to get. So it depends on what size of business you have, okay? For example, let's look at the discounts you get when you buy more license keys down below, okay? So for 10 licenses, it's $700 with a total savings of 47% off. Great deal there. 20 licenses, $1,728, total savings of 58% off. Great savings there as well. 30 licenses, $2,906 for a total savings of 65% off. Amazing savings there as well. 50 licenses, $5,215 for a total savings of 70% off. Great stuff. But we also have our enhanced team licenses right here as well. Okay, now this can include between 5 to 30 users with a 35 to 62% enhanced volume discount. That's amazing. Also, that priority technical support I mentioned with custom training sessions, and you can pay your way, credit card, PayPal, or crypto. We also have the enhanced enterprise solutions. This is for users 30 plus, so 30 plus users, and you're going to get up to 70% enhanced bulk discounts, dedicated account manager, custom workflow setup, which is amazing for scaling. Pay your way, credit card, PayPal, or crypto. And if you want bulk pricing, you just have to contact sales, all right? Wow, what an awesome product here at Lead Sniper. Great new features, awesome new pricing packages to suit every budget and business size. Click the link down below and get started with the Google Map Scraper from our friends at Lead Sniper right now and take your business to the next level. We'll catch you in the next video.